ఎగ్జిబిషన్ని ప్రారంభించడానికి చేసినటువంటి గౌరవనీయ స్పీకర్ గారు ప్రసాద్ గారికి, టీవీ5 చైర్మన్ బిఆర్ నాయుడు గారికి ధన్యవాదాలు తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. అలాగే ఈ 12th CNC ఎక్స్పో గత 11 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ని ప్లాటినం స్పాన్సర్గా టీ ఫైబర్, అలాగే డైమండ్ స్పాన్సర్గా క్లారాన్ ఫైబర్ ఆప్టిక్స్, గోల్డ్ స్పాన్సర్గా పైనీర్ డిజిటల్ టీవీ, సిల్వర్ స్పాన్సర్గా స్మార్ట్ ప్లే, GTPL, అసోసియేట్ స్పాన్సర్స్గా వర్టెక్స్, ఏ డిజిటల్, వీళ్ళందరూ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తున్నారు. అలాగే ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్కి ఎగ్జిబిటర్స్గా వచ్చేసినటువంటి మా ఎగ్జిబిటర్స్ అందరికీ కృతజ్ఞత తెలుపుకుంటున్నాను. నెక్స్ట్ ఇయర్ ఈ 2 హాల్లో చేద్దామని ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇంకా వర్టికల్స్ బాగా పెంచుతున్నాం. బ్రాడ్కాస్ట్ షో ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం, కన్వర్జెన్స్ ఒకటి యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. అలాగే విదేశాల్లో జరుగుతున్నటువంటి ఇప్పుడు దుబాయ్, సింగపూర్, ఆమ్స్టర్డామ్ ఇట్లాంటి నగరాల్లో ఇంటర్నేషనల్ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ జరుగుతున్నాయి. అవన్నీ సందర్శించి వాళ్ళందరినీ ఇన్వైట్ చేసి ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో స్టాల్స్ పెట్టిస్తున్నాము. ఈ సంవత్సరం ఫస్ట్ టైం 2 కొరియన్ కంపెనీస్ ఇక్కడ హైదరాబాద్లో డైరెక్ట్గా మొట్టమొదటిసారి స్టాల్స్ పెట్టడం జరిగింది. వారికి మా కృతజ్ఞతలు. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
కేబుల్ టీవీ, ఇంటర్నెట్, OTT, IoTలకు ఒకే వేదికగా నిలుస్తున్న సంస్థ CNC ఎక్స్పో. గ్రామీణ ప్రాంతాలకు సైతం ఆధునిక సాంకేతికతతో పాటు అప్ టు డేట్ సమాచారాన్ని అందిస్తున్న కేబుల్ ఇంటర్నెట్ ఆపరేటర్లకు మాత్రమే కరోనా లాంటి సమయంలో ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీ వినోదంతో పాటు ఉద్యోగ వ్యాపారాలకు సైతం ఎంతగానో ఊతమిచ్చింది. కేబుల్ టీవీ, ఇంటర్నెట్ ద్వారా ఒక తెలంగాణలోనే 45,000 మంది ఉపాధి అవకాశాలు పొందుతున్నారు. మన రాష్ట్రంలో దాదాపు ఈ ఇండస్ట్రీ మీద 1,00,000 మంది వరకు ఆధారపడుతున్నారు. దేశవ్యాప్తంగా 6 లక్షల మందికి పైగా కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్లు ఉన్నారు. ఇంత మంచి ఎగ్జిబిషన్ ఏర్పాటు చేసిన CNC ఎక్స్పో CEO రాము పల్లా గారికి అభినందనలు తెలియజేస్తూ, మరొక విషయము, ఈ రాష్ట్ర ముఖ్యమంత్రి శ్రీ రేవంత్ రెడ్డి గారు కూడా మీకు సంబంధించి, మరి అదేవిధంగా ఈ రాష్ట్ర IT శాఖ మంత్రి శ్రీ శ్రీధర్ బాబు గారు కూడా తప్పకుండా వారిద్దరితో నేను మీకు ఎప్పుడు ఏ విధమైన అవసరాలున్నా ఆ అవసరాలు తీర్చే విధంగా వారిద్దరితో మాట్లాడి నేను తప్పకుండా తీరుస్తా అని చెప్పేసి మీకు ఎల్లవేళలా అందుబాటులో ఉంటా అని చెప్పి తెలియజేసుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్.
ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా సాంకేతిక పరంగా ఇంకా ముందుకు ఏ విధమైన సౌకర్యాలు కల్పిస్తే బాగుంటుందని ఆలోచన చేస్తున్న సందర్భంలో ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ తప్పకుండా వీరందరికీ కూడా ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్గా ఏర్పడి రాబోయే కాలంలో కూడా ఈరోజు ప్రత్యేకంగా ఎవరి ఇంట్లో చూసినా కేబుల్ లేనిది నడవదు, ఇంటర్నెట్ సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ లేనిది నడవదు. ప్రతి విద్యార్థి కానీ ఈరోజు మా రైతు సోదరులే కానీ ఇంటర్నెట్ను ఉపయోగించుకొని, కేబుల్ని ఉపయోగించుకొని వారి ప్రొడక్టివిటీని పెంచుకునే ప్రయత్న భాగంలో ముందుకు నడుస్తూ ఉన్న తరుణంలో తప్పకుండా మీరు నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్న ఈ ఎక్స్పో పెద్ద ఎత్తున మరి వారు అనుకున్న లక్ష్యాలను సంబంధించి విజయవంతంగా పూర్తిగా 12వసారి ఈ ఎగ్జిబిషన్ నడిపిస్తూ ఉన్న తరుణంలో పెద్ద ఎత్తున అంటే ఈరోజు హైటెక్స్లో నిర్వహిస్తూ ఉన్నారంటే చిన్నగా మొదలైన ఈ పరిశ్రమ బహుళజాతి కంపెనీస్ కంటే మించే విధంగా ఈరోజు చిన్న స్థాయి నుంచి పెద్ద స్థాయి ఈ కంపెనీస్ వారు చేస్తూ ఉన్న ప్రయత్నాన్ని మా ప్రభుత్వం తరఫున వారికి హృదయపూర్వకంగా అభినందనలు కృతజ్ఞతలు తెలియజేస్తూ మా ప్రభుత్వం ఎల్లప్పుడూ కూడా మరి కేబుల్ ఆపరేటర్స్ పరంగా కానీ ఈరోజు సామాన్య ప్రజానికానికి అతి తక్కువ ధరలో వారు అందించే సౌకర్యాలు ఇంకా కూడా ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి అందజేసే కార్యక్రమం చేస్తామంటే వారి అందరికీ కూడా మా ప్రభుత్వం తరఫున సహకారం అందిస్తామని వారికి తెలియజేస్తాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
This year CNC Expo 2024 has been very fantastic. In terms of the crowd, we received very good genuine buyers this year. Post Corona, this is the first time we have seen a lot of good genuine crowd, and we could book a lot of sales in this event.
Okay.
So we are very, very happy for the event, and we expect Ramu to conduct further event more good.
Yeah.
This is actually fantastic. It's like I was telling probably yesterday to one of your team member, I am seeing a remarkable improvement year after year. Ramu Garu last year what he has done, this year I am seeing a remarkable difference in terms of the accommodation of the stall, in terms of the hosting to all the exhibitors, to all the participants or visitors, whomsoever it may be. And when it is started, invitation received by us, at our side by you all, from then till today, fabulous. Communication, your team interaction, their update, every day is update, mail, SMS. I don't know how much he has incurred, but this is fabulous actually. It's fabulous. It is actually fabulous.
This time we are really happy that all with respect to layout and all, it's really good. We could see every side it's open. It's like a professional layout this time which you have designed actually. It's far I could say this is the best layout which you have designed so far. Okay, with respect to stalls and communications, the way you handle this time, you visited other countries, you try to get other countries exhibitors as well. I could see there was a Korean exhibitor as well. I tried to roam around, and the layout is perfectly planned very well this time.
Expo is good. Yesterday the footfall was a bit lower side, but today we had some good experience, good customers, and the footfall was also very nice. So overall the experience is good.
Yeah, it's very good actually, since we are participating in the expo since the beginning when this show started. Unfortunately, actually I'm very glad to know about the day by day this expo is growing. Before now you see the total atmosphere and the work behind this expo. I think Ramu is doing some fantastic job, and he has some good relationship with the customers as well. So we are getting very tremendous response since last almost 1 decade. We are coming here over here, and definitely we are getting a lot of positives from here.
My name is Sean Nee from Korea, company name Lightron.
Okay. So I came here to take the feedback about this expo.
This expo has been fantastic show for me. We need the Indian customers because Indian market has been the very nice market for us to enter, and then the very important market.
So how the customers response from the ground, and hope this is the first time that you are participating, right?
Yeah, actually this is the second trade show for our company.
Okay.
To Indian market. For this show, this is first time, and then much better than my expectation
Okay.
up to now.
This is a fantastic expo for all the broadcasters, MSOs and cable fraternity. I congratulate CNC and its team and its organizer Ramu for doing this fantastic show year on year from last 12 years. Congratulations to Ramu and team.
Yeah, it is good, and we are adjusting to the entry and exit, so we have great footfall. and we have great inquiries, and we did few connects with other manufacturers and other sellers and other importers and all. So bottom line is good, it's going good. This whatever I spent, it is worth spending here. So I didn't feel like I'm not losing anything here. So we are making good connects and good business here.
Here Expo is very good for us. So many partners are coming, especially the cable TV segment and all. So overall experience was good, and we tell our partners and all. So TP-Link always the power for the future.
Okay.
Together power the future.
Right.
So overall it is very good.
It's going very good. We are getting a lot of customers. We are interacting with a lot of customers, and we are also getting customers who are willing to collaborate with us. And yes, madam, it's very good, very nice.
So this is the second year we are participating in CNC. So as like last year, this is also your team did a great job. So really, you made this event very comfortable. So and walk-ins also seems very decent. So this event is really useful for our company.
It was a wonderful experience altogether right now. Okay, we never expected this kind of crowd as of now. We have done so many of exhibition earlier also. But being there in Mumbai, Calcutta, Hyderabad was a wonderful experience altogether, seeing this crowd and journey so far. We have never anticipated this kind of huge crowd. So all thanks to CNC for helping us around for this, having a wonderful journey. And we look forward to the same continue better.
How was the customers' response from the ground?
It was a wonderful experience. What they need, what the customer wants, we understand the situation, what they are looking for, and based on the same, we provide them an excellent solution, in-house solution, what they are looking for. So we have got a tremendous response from them, and we look forward to the same patronage from the similar customers as well.
Hi, I'm Inder Singh Khurana from Imperius Infratech, Delhi NCR, Ghaziabad. It's our first stall in any exhibition. And as per the first stall and as per our debut, I think it was good.
Okay.
It was good. जो पैसा हमने खर्च किया है, maybe it would be returned. Initially, we don't have any confidence कि जितना हमने money spend किया है, it would be returned or not. But today is very good day.
Okay.
Today is a very good day. Today we have a very good footfall. मतलब इतना footfall था, we can't attend all the peoples. So it was a very good, very nice, and we would like to get along with Ramuji again.
Yeah, we have been participating in the Hyderabad Expo every year, and this year also it has been very good, and there has been a very good response. Today we are seeing operators coming from all over the region, from Andhra, from Telangana. Operators have also come from different parts like Karnataka, Maharashtra also, and we have seen a very good response today.
Okay. So then how was the customer response from the ground?
ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్. ప్రతిసారి కన్నా ఈసారి ఇంకా మంచిగా పెరుగుతూ ఉంది. వేరే ఇంటర్నేషనల్ నుంచి కూడా స్టాల్స్ పెట్టినందుకు చాలా సంతోషం. ఇక్కడ కస్టమర్కి ఏదైతే కావాలో ప్రతి ఒక్కరు డిస్కౌంట్ రేట్లలో మంచిగా అవైలబిలిటీ చేస్తున్నారు. సో మాకు చాలా సంతోషం అనిపించింది. సిఎన్సికి స్పెషల్లీ థ్యాంక్స్ రాము గారికి.
మేము యాక్చువల్లీ 12 సంవత్సరాల నుంచి ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిబిషన్లో మేము స్టాల్ పెట్టడం జరుగుతుంది. ఏపీ తెలంగాణ ఆపరేటర్లు అందరూ కూడా అవేర్నెస్ కోసం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి కొత్త టెక్నాలజీ తెలుసుకుని వెళ్తూ ఉంటారు.
We come from another state and another city, and we can grow our business over here through the expo. So it helps growing the business and understand the local business also.
The ambience is good, the location is good, and it is attracting a good crowd. All the industry-related people, operators to big companies, everybody is coming.
Actually, from the past 5 to 6 years, we are continuously participating in this expo. So Hyderabad Expo, there is a unique thing in the Hyderabad Expo. People are coming here to purchase the materials. So in any other expo, we cannot see this particular uniqueness.
That was really wonderful experience here. And this second day is going on now, so the response is very good. And we are doing registrations here from the city broadband, and we're so happy for that participation in the CNC Expo.
Thank you so much, CNC Expo, for giving us this opportunity to present our brand, our company, our people, and our associations with the local cable operators of AP Telangana. So not only we got our business associates from AP Telangana, but from all the states like Uttar Pradesh. We got people here. That's too far. Then we got our associates from Karnataka, Maharashtra, Pune, Solapur, so various places. So it's a very good platform which I could say that we've got enough of opportunity and we could present our business to our customers.
It is very good event, and we got many participants who are interested to connect with our global internet exchange as well as the interconnection platform. We are the number one in the Asia, number one internet exchange as well as who is providing the platform where the data can be exchanged.
It's very fine, and we feel very good here because a lot of the crowd came today, and we got our exposure from the different parts of the South India, including that's Telangana, Andhra, Karnataka. Some people came from Maharashtra also. So it's very nice to come here.
Actually, we have put that stall for the first time here, and it is very great. I'm having a very great experience over here because there are so many customers related to my field only come to us, and it's like for our brand promotion also.
Yes, the experience is very good. The crowd is very good, and we get a good business. And thank you very much for CNC Expo.
So thank you very much for being here, everyone. So thank you, Mr. Ramagaru, for this beautiful the exhibition that we have conducted this time. So we have seen a little growth on this year, especially on today's session. We have seen at least 30% growth on previous year, in fact. And more importantly, that we have received more good response because of the new product.
So this is my first time in the Hyderabad CNC, and I'm very amazed to be here, and I'm looking something that the customer is very kind of keen to know the upcoming technologies and the new market strategies.
Yeah, definitely. Thanks for CNC to giving this opportunity to participate and to express our products to the public. It has been a great experience.
The CNC Expo, it's a very good expo. It's a good exposure for us. It's the first time we are coming to Hyderabad, and we have many dealers earlier, but we get the opportunity to meet them by personally this time by CNC Expo only.
It's a really good experience for us as a eCaps and our brand Netfox. First time we are exhibiting here, and today is second day, and the kind of footfall you people have given us, really we are thankful for it.
Actually, the exhibition is very fantastic, and we are the first time participating in this exhibition, and we are some startup company, so it's fantastic for us.
We are basically a Mumbai-based company, and we come regularly to Hyderabad because this is one of the most successful exhibitions.
Nextix is our brand, and we are an MSME company, and we are very happy to be in CNC.
And the expo is really one of the best things what is happening over here. Yeah, it's a wonderfully organized. This year we have seen a lot of crowd compared to the previous years.
This is our first time in Hyderabad, and we are really having a good time. First day was pretty okay, but the second day is really awesome. I hope we make some new good clients, but really happy with CNC. The overall experience was really good.
Yeah, it's very good. Every year they are conducting CNC Expo, and we got a very good response from this CNC Expo.
Hi, myself Sujata. It was a great experience in CNC Expo. This is we first time participated in this expo. It's a great experience, really. The facilities are really good.
It's a great opportunity for our company, ZByte Cloud. So basically, we are a data center and cloud-based solution company. And this expo gave us a really good platform where we could network and meet people of the same industry and diverse industry.
CNC has conducted as a very good expo in South India. So we feel very happy. We got a very good customer response. Nearly we got 1,000 to 2,000 customers. We received a lot of new numbers.
CNC Expo we are doing last 10 years, as you know, and now we are doing with SPI. Then it's a very good experience, and Ramu is also a very cooperative person and is doing well.
We have been participating over here from last 5 years. 4 to 5 years it has been. Maybe in the COVID time it didn't happen. But from last 5 years we have been a constant member of your group,
and we have been participating here and we like it over here, and the hospitality you give us is brilliant.
Already we are participating in this expo since last, I guess, 3-4 years. So we have been, experiencing fantastic, and the participation is, very much fruitful. We are getting good leads and conversions as well.
We are very happy regarding this event. Firstly, I want to thank Mr. Ramu Pallagaru for inviting us from Mumbai to this event. And we do provide services for more than 8,000 plus customers. And this one event made us to cross 9,000 plus. So we are more happy for that, and we'll be again visiting this event again and again. So all the best for CNC.
I am Vaishnavi Das. I am from Jiagura, Hyderabad, and we are running our business Sri Sai Cable Networks. I went to CNC Expo this year. It's really amazing. There is a lot of new technology. It is a really unique opportunity to explore the future of the smart technology. I got a call from CNC Expo. I really surprised. I am feeling very happy winning this bumper draw of CNC Expo 2024. I really thank you to CNC Expo and thank you to bumper draw sponsors.